Okay, welcome back to Minecraft Mini Walls, and yeah, I'm trying to get a comeback or a clutch. I don't like when my team dominates. Prison Break. So, TVNR. Tell it. Okay, there's clearly a party on green. What are those even? Weird. And TVNR, he's just lonely. No one looks like him. No. No! That's fine. It's not deathmatch yet. Oh, I wanted to kill. Hey, thank you for the extra hearts, mate. Hello, smiley face, dude. Oh, you just realized that. No, I want some cat. You stole it. Well, you're part of the party. Oh, that's fine, kill. I might get my kill gab. Yeah. Oh, this guy killed me. I wanted to troll. Didn't have enough time. Mate, you're low. No. Come here. Then I'll kill the red. There, now I can kill him. He's running around like a wild animal. That's mine! No, I missed it. Okay. So, weather is not that good. Green's gonna win. I need to finish these. Okay, that's the way. Swooping! I was already low. Are those a party on? No, yeah, those are a party on blue. Don't kill our teammates! Guys, I think we should wait their wither out. So, yeah. The blue party's still alive. The red's... Oh yeah, the green party's also still alive. Their withers are fine. There they are, they're killing people. Not very nice. Come in here, mate. Alright, you're wondering how to get up, huh? Turn around, teammate, you can beat him. Hey, where did my other team? Oh, there he is. I need blocks. Okay, so there's a green coming at us. Ha. Swooping. Oh, yeah. It's almost deathmatch. Let's come back, guys. Oh no. Yay! Okay. Last green. Uh-oh. 2v1. Wooden sword. Mate. Yay! 1v1. Where's this pathetic green? Your team was winning, mate. Help him. Ah, clutch! No, not clutch. Come back. GG, people. GG. So, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Bye.